Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Dbeaver latest version on RHEL 10.1, but the process is same on all RHEL versions. Okay, then we will connect the PostgreSQL server and I will show you how to connect MySQL. Okay, so first open the default web browser that comes with RHEL 10, that is Firefox. Then go to Dbeaver official website, it is dbeaver.io. See here, Dbeaver community is a free open source database management tool for personal projects. Manage, explore SQL databases like MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, SQLite, Apache Family and more. Okay, and see here we have the two versions, Community and Pro. In this video I am going to download and install Community. Community is the open source version, Pro is the commercial version. Okay, so click on this download. See here the current version is 25.2. Then for RHEL we have to click on this Linux RPM package. Click on it to download. See, download started and its size is 121 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then we will install this RPM package. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Then go to downloads directory, cd downloads, ls. See here we have the RPM package. You have to install it. Sudo rpm -ivh -node deps. Then Dbeaver, press the tab to autofill entire RPM package name, hit enter. Put the password of the sudo user. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to menu, show applications. See here we have the Dbeaver CE, means communication. So click on it to open. See, it's opening. I don't want, so close it. I don't want sample databases. Let me maximize it. Now click on this new database connection, that is plug button, or go to database and select the new database connection. Both are same. Then select the PostgreSQL or whatever the database that you want. In this video I am going to show you how to connect the PostgreSQL server. If you want to connect MySQL, click on MySQL. Okay, then click on PostgreSQL, then click on PostgreSQL, then click on next. Now select the connect by host name or URL. I am going to connect by using host, so PostgreSQL is installed on this one. If you want to install PostgreSQL on RHEL 10 or 9, check for my YouTube channel how to install PostgreSQL on RHEL 10 or 9. Okay, then port number 5432, Postgres database, Postgres, show all databases. Then username, provide the user that is there on this host. Provide the username that is there, which is there in this host. Okay, provide the. Then click on test connection. Download driver files. See, successfully connected to PostgreSQL server. This is the version of the PostgreSQL server. Then click on OK. Click on finish. Then expand the connection. Expand databases. See here I have these databases. Right click on any database. Then SQL editor. Then open SQL console to run the SQL queries on this database. Select, I have the table customer. Select customer. Select star from customer. Then click on this run button or execute button. See, I got the output. Okay, in the same way, if you want to connect to MySQL, just click on this database connection, new database connection, then MySQL, then click on next. Here you have to provide all these details. Okay, this is the way. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Dbeaver latest version, that is 25.2 on RHEL 10. Okay, for more Linux or database tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.